the concept of simple molecular substances for chemistry. And after going through this video, you will know the simple molecular substances, or how to draw their basic dot and cross diagrams. Now, simple molecular substances are made up of molecules containing a few atoms joined together by covalent bonds. Alright, so in this video, we're going to look at some common examples that you should know for chemistry. So let's go into the details of the video. Remember, we're looking at simple molecular substances. Alright, so let's begin with hydrogen molecule or hydrogen gas. Now, hydrogen atoms have just one electron. They only need one more to complete their first shell. So they often form single covalent bonds, either with other hydrogen atoms or with other elements to achieve stability. Alright, to achieve this. Okay, so to represent the dot and cross diagram of hydrogen molecule, it's going to be something like this. This will be the first hydrogen atom, the nucleus. This will be the second one. So basically, this is what is going to happen here. Alright, so they will form single covalent bonds. They will donate a pair of electrons. So this is what is going to happen here. We will donate it. Alright, so this will be the dot and cross diagram of hydrogen molecule. You can decide to label this your hydrogen atom. Alright, so this is for hydrogen molecule. Now let's look at another example, chlorine molecule. Let's write this. Okay, now we are looking at chlorine molecule or chlorine gas. Now, each chlorine atom needs just one more electron to complete the outer shell. So two chlorine atoms can share one pair of electrons and form a single covalent bond. Alright, so chlorine molecule or gas forms a single covalent bond as well with hydrogen molecule. As we all know, chlorine has 7 number of electrons in the outer shell, so they will need one more electron. They will gain one more to achieve stability with noble gas. Alright, so let's represent the dot and cross structure of it. So this will be the first chlorine atom. This is the first shell, and this will be the second shell. Alright, so it has 7 electrons. Now, the second chlorine atom, this is the first shell. Okay, this is what going to happen here. Alright, so it will now bond with this. So these two chlorine atoms now will share one pair of electrons and form single covalent bond. Alright, so this is basically what's happening here. Remember, this will be the second chlorine atom. Alright, so now they have achieved what? Stability. You can decide to label this your chlorine atom or not. Alright, so this will the first chlorine atom, this is the second word chlorine atom. So it's as simple as that, guys. Now let's look at another example. This is my one. Let's look at oxygen molecule. Let's write this. Okay, so we are looking at oxygen molecule. Now, each oxygen atom needs 2 more electrons to complete its outer shell. So in oxygen gas, 2 oxygen atoms share 2 pairs of electrons with each other, making a double covalent bond. Alright, so as we all know, oxygen has 8 atomic number and it has 6 number of electrons in the outer shell. So it will need to gain 2 more electrons to achieve stability with noble gas. Alright, so let's represent the dots and cross diagram of oxygen molecule. So it's going to be something like this. This will be the first oxygen atom. Alright, so this is the second shell. Okay, so we have, so this is the electron. Now this will be the second oxygen atom. This is the first shell. Alright, now we are going to have, this will be the second shell, so it's going to bond with this oxygen atom here. Alright, so basically this is what we're going to have. Now here the oxygen gas, the oxygen atoms share two pairs of electrons with each other. So they will share two pairs of electrons here. So basically this was going to be two pairs of electrons to achieve your stability. Alright, so if you check it now, we now have, and then you count the number of electrons now in the outer shell: 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. Alright, so the oxygen molecule has now achieved what? Stability. Okay, so this is basically what's happening here. This is the first oxygen atom. This is the second word, oxygen atom. Alright, so guys, take note of this. Okay, because for your MCQ chemistry question, you might be asked the type of bond formed in oxygen molecule. So is double covalent bond. Take note of this. Alright, so let's look at another example: nitrogen molecule or gas. This time around, let's write this. Okay, so we're looking at nitrogen molecule or gas. Now nitrogen atoms need 3 more electrons. So the 2 nitrogen atoms share 3 pairs of electrons to fill their outer shells. This creates a triple covalent bond. Alright, as well, nitrogen has 7 atomic number and 5 number of electrons in the outer shell. So they will need to gain 3 more electrons to achieve stability. So let's represent the dot and cross diagram of nitrogen molecule. So it's going to be something like this. This is the first nitrogen atom. Alright, this is the second shell. Okay, so yeah, we're going to have 2 electrons here. Let's just write these 2 first. Now the second nitrogen atom, this will be the first shell. Okay, now this will be the second shell. Okay, so they are going to share 3 pairs of electrons to fill the outer shell. So basically, this is how it's going to be. Alright, so we now have 3 pairs of electrons. We now have stability. Alright, these nitrogen atoms. So you can decide to elaborate this here, nitrogen atom. So this is the dot and cross diagram of nitrogen molecule. Alright, if you check the outer shell, it now has stability. This 6 inside plus the 2 at the extreme of the atoms will make it 8 respectively. Alright, so that's the nitrogen molecule. Now let's look at another example. Remember, I'm showing you examples you need to know for simple molecular substances. Alright, let's write this. Okay, so for water molecule, H2O. Now, in water molecules, the oxygen shares a pair of electrons with 2 hydrogen atoms to form 2 single covalent bonds. Alright, so note this for MCQ chemistry questions. Water forms single covalent bonds, 2 single covalent bonds. Alright, now let's draw the dot and cross diagram for it. This will be the first shell. Okay. Okay, now this will be the second shell. Alright, so oxygen has 8 atomic number and 6 number of electrons in the second shell. Alright, so this is basically what it's going to look like. So it will now share pair of electrons with the hydrogen atoms. Alright, so this will be the hydrogen atoms. Okay, so this is basically what happened. Okay, alright, this is the nucleus of the hydrogen. Alright, so you can decide to label this the hydrogen atom. The center is the oxygen. Alright, so this is the dot and cross diagram of water molecule. Now let's wipe this and look at that of methane molecule or gas. Let's wipe this. Okay, now for methane molecule, CH4. Alright, so basically carbon has 4 outer electrons, which is half a full shell. It can form 4 covalent bonds with hydrogen atoms to fill up its outer shell. Okay, so let's represent the dot and cross diagram of methane molecular gas. Alright, so this will be the carbon atom. Alright, so this will be the second shell. So it will now share 4 pairs of electrons to complete its outer shell. Alright, this will be the hydrogen atoms respectively. Alright. Okay, so they are sharing pairs of electrons. Alright, so this will be the first pair, this will be the second pair, this will be the third pair, this will be the fourth pair. Alright, so this is the nucleus. You can decide to label this your hydrogen atom. Okay. Alright, so the center diagram is for carbon. Alright, you can decide to label this your carbon. Alright, so this will be the dot and cross diagram of methane gas or molecule. So it forms 4 covalent bonds with hydrogen atoms to fill up its outer shell. Okay, now lastly, let's look at hydrogen chloride molecule. And after you can call it a class, let's write this. Okay, so for hydrogen chloride molecule. Now, this is very similar to hydrogen molecule and chlorine molecule. Alright, both atoms only need one more electron to complete the outer shell. So let's draw the dot and cross diagram for hydrogen chloride molecule. Alright, so it's going to be something like this. Let's begin with hydrogen atom. Okay, now this hydrogen atom is going to share a pair of electrons with chlorine atom. Alright, so this will be the first shell for chlorine atom. It has 2 electrons. So this will be the second shell. It has 8 electrons. And this will be the third shell. Okay, the third shell has 7 electrons. So it will now share this pair of electron, one pair of electron with this hydrogen atom. Alright, to attain stability. So you can decide to label this hydrogen atom. Alright, so this is for hydrogen chloride molecule. Okay, so that is basically how you can represent the dots and cross diagram of simple molecular substances for chemistry exam. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. Let's call it a class here. Now, if you are new to the channel, ensure to check the description of this video below. You'll see a link to our Telegram channel. Click on it and join the Telegram channel for instant notifications. Also, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more videos like this. Like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel from what I learned from this class. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding this topic, simple molecular substances, that dots and cross diagram, feel free to be question in the comment section below, and I will be sure to give you a response. Now click on the end screen above, and I will see you in the next video.